Everybody's ready to go? I'll be calling the judge in.
Yeah, what's it?
All rise for the... hold on. What's your name?
Philip Banks, Jamie. Philip Banks.
All rise for the now Honorable
I said we need
Philip
another
Banks.
5 to 10 minutes. Why are we starting?
Oh my god.
Alright, everybody may be seated.
Yes, sir, Your Majesty.
Your Honor, I would like to point out that young man didn't stand when you came out.
Alright, listen, here's some rules. If there's an objection raised, please let me know what the objection is for, and I will rule on it at that time. Do not talk
Objection?
over each other.
Your Honor, can you yell for us, please, sir?
I'm yelling as loud as I can.
Say it with your chest.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. What do you mean you can't hear me? You hear me now?
Okay, I can hear you. Okay, I moved up. I'll just stand up here. I'll just get front row seat.
Okay.
I'm
All
sorry.
right. Okay. All right. When it's your time to speak, please approach the microphone.
Can I steal the corner over here with you?
Your Honor, if I may,
Yes, sir.
before we begin, before you stepped out here, your bailiff here allowed this other gentleman here to spit on me without repercussions, and then proceeded to point his beanbag shotgun at me. So
You
therefore,
spit on him, sir.
this would be considered contempt of court, and the case is over with.
If you wanna file those charges,
Hey,
I'm sure that
you
one of the
Luigi
officers will
looking
be
little
happy to
fucker,
take
you literally spit on the
your
officer.
statement.
I don't recall that.
Your
I
Honor,
do.
I do.
Yes, sir.
can we get another, like, 5 minutes because, Miss Bean had to go in her head and take care of some, lawyer business.
Sir,
Okay.
they've had plenty of time to get their things together. I showed up unannounced, ready to go.
Sir, she has a kid.
Have you
Where?
discussed
head.
with your client?
My client hasn't talked once, so I'm just gonna take it from here.
Yeah, he takes it to
Your client is there.
He's evoking his Fifth Amendment right to be silent.
Okay. I mean, he doesn't have to be silent with you. There's attorney-client privilege.
Yeah, I already know what happened. Though he don't have to explain it. We got her all figured out. You checked your emails, right, Jack?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, you just keep an eye on them emails.
Mr. Dems, would you like to start, or and she
She's
could
gonna be
pick
the
up?
starting lawyer.
Sure, I got my opening statement ready.
Would it be fine if the defense starts?
Oh, sure.
Okay. Defense, approach the microphone and open its statements.
I'm set my briefcase down here. All right, Your Honor, members of the jury, law enforcement is not an easy job. Every single day, officers face threats that can turn deadly in seconds. My client, Officer Jack over here, was forced to make split-second decisions under chaotic and dangerous circumstances. While injuries were unfortunately sustained, they were not the result of brutality. They were the unavoidable consequences of ensuring public safety. That is it.
Hey, man.
You know what, Your Honor? I'll take over right now.
Okay. All right.
Listen. This lawyer made it seem like my client, John Quavius Jackson, purposely did a crime to get beaten brutally. My client just went to Waffle Shop to get his car done, And then this lawyer company and this cruel dude came and just started smacking him.
Yep, it was not footy. It was not footy, Judge.
You say he went to Waffle House?
No, he went to Waffle Shop.
Oh.
WAR.
I got a little hungry.
Of course
Judge.
you did. You look like you can go for some curry.
I could.
Racist.
Some waffles, you know. Okay, so I have no prior paperwork on this case. So, what is the judgment? Like, what are you going after?
We're going after his job, and we want to sue him.
Well, I understand that you want to sue him. I mean, as far as his job, you'd have to take that up with the chief. I don't have any ability to do that. But what is the amount of money that you are suing
$3
for?
million.
3 million.
Yes, the EMS had to come out and almost give him mouth to mouth. He wasn't breathing. You know how embarrassing that is for John Quavius?
I mean, have you looked at our EMS guys? I mean,
Yeah, they're hideous.
oh, I was thinking the exact opposite.
Well, we all have our own opinions, right?
I mean, I suppose that's true.
And also, I don't swing that way.
Oh,
Objection. This isn't about sexual preference. This is about a court case here.
Shut up, Luigi.
that's sustained. Okay, so where the prosecution would normally be first, do you have any witnesses to call?
I don't think he does.
Well, actually, Sir Waffle back there is a witness, and also so is Jimmy Barnes, but I believe he flew out.
Okay.
I believe all of EMS is technically the EMS responders are the witness, so there should be 3.
Okay. So you can call your first witness.
Waffle?
Come up here, Waffle. Well, that's one way to get over, I guess.
Can we get this door unlocked, officer? Oh, never mind.
Waffle's just him, sir.
All right, Mr. Waffle.
All right, sir. I'll be swearing you in. Please raise your hands or your right hand. Sir, do you swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you, sir. You may begin the questioning.
So, Mr. Waffles, I just have a couple questions for you, if that's all right.
Yes, ma'am.
So, did you witness the scene between John Quavius and the officer?
Yeah, I witnessed most of it.
And would you say that John Quavius was being disruptive, had a violent weapon out?
Negative. Mr. Jackson had came in to get some work done on his car, and I had just backed his car out of my second bay when I noticed everything kind of start kicking off, and I never saw Mr. Jackson with a weapon.
And how would you say the officer in question reacted to John
Very
Quavius?
very aggressive. I mean, immediately pulled a baton out and I mean was just screaming at him. I mean, if the officer, excuse me, if the officer would have looked my way, I would have been in fear for my life.
Now let me ask you this. Has this affected your business in any way, sir?
Oh, absolutely. My business was turned into a crime scene for about 12 hours. I lost a pretty good amount of money.
I'm so sorry to hear that. Nothing further.
I'm liking the sound of this.
Keep quiet.
Going.
we doing? Playing patty cake? What's going on?
Judge?
I'm waiting on Mr. Larry to approach for cross-examination.
Yep.
Oh, my apologies. I didn't hear you. All right. Cross-examination. So am I asking questions here? That's what I'm doing?
Asking questions to Mr. Waffle.
All right, Mr. Waffle. Do you happen to have any camera footage running in the business at the time?
No, sir, I do not. I'm a fairly new business. I'm just starting out.
Would there
And,
happen to have been any footage outside, maybe on a outlying building, possibly that could reach what had happened?
Closest thing that I would say would probably be the pier, and just the angle of everything's probably not. That's one thing that I'm working on is getting in contact with a security company to get some CCTV on my building. So
Okay.
things like this don't happen again.
So, you didn't happen to write any notes down right after that it happened or anything like that?
No, sir. Everything happened so quick. It was kind of a scary situation. I didn't necessarily think it to pull a notepad out and jot down some notes or do any
Okay.
Googling.
So the fact is, the first time you told this story was after police already made their report. True?
Yep, that was actually just now. No police actually even spoke to me regarding
Okay.
anything.
So your memory today is based on what you think you saw, without any physical evidence to back it up. Correct?
No, it's not about what I think I saw. It's about what I know I saw.
Okay. Could you possibly tell the jury the exact time of the swing?
Oh man, I could not tell you a time.
Did you happen to hear the officer's commands clearly?
I just heard a lot of profanities.
Okay, so you can't point to a single photo or a piece of evidence that proves your story, correct?
I don't. There was no like music videos or anything being shot on my property at the time. No, sir.
So just to clarify, just a yes or no is all I need. You can't point to a single photo or piece of evidence that proves your story, correct?
Negative. Just
Okay.
my. Well, you said yes or no. Sorry.
Okay, so we're closing this. Ladies and gentlemen, the witness is asking you to convict an officer of nothing but their word. No videos, no photos, no documents,
Objection.
just memory.
All right. So Mr. Russo, just save that for closing.
Okay. Well,
You
that's all I
finished,
have. That's all I have
you
for now
finished
for
your
you,
cross.
Mr. Waffle.
Can I just say one more thing? I'm an upstanding citizen of this community. I have no criminal charges. I was a member of the police department for 15 years in another county, and I actually have a contract with LSPD for repairs, and I'm kind of, just because of this situation, I'm kind of rethinking that.
Hold on, I'm the
But,
lawyer. I got this. I'm gonna object because I could say my client has the same exact traits. He is a standard working police officer, good citizen, never been in any trouble. So where does this lead us?
Can I ask a question?
You can ask another question, sure.
What rank is your officer?
Sir, what rank are you, Captain? He's a captain. So he's been in there for quite a while. He's a high-ranking officer.
Okay, I didn't know.
Yes, sir.
I've never seen him before, so.
That's all I have to offer.
All right, Mr. Waffle, you may step down.
Thank you, Judge.
Would you like
Excuse
to call anybody else, Miss Bean?
I'd like to call the E EMS.
Hold on, I gotcha. Oh, you got it. Okay.
Which EMS would you like to call?
Whichever one was on scene.
All
Three
three.
of them were the one with the black backpack's the one that saved me.
We'll see.
Gray shirt.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want all of us or just
Just the guy in the gray shirt.
I get to cross-examine after, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're good then.
not?
Guy in the gray shirt, you coming?
EMS.
You're
He
looking
said
like a blind dog out there, brother.
His legs are asleep. they got the tingling with the needles and things right now.
Oh, they got needles in the courtroom.
I bet they
we're
got
we're
Percocets
talking
too.
about his feet, not what's in your pocket, sir.
They
Sir, I'm a clean, upstanding citizen.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey, Mr. O2, did you search Mr. Larry? Because I don't recall you searching him.
Which?
Mr. Larry, right there in the green.
He was searched?
I'm
Yep,
asking you if you
twice.
searched him.
I was searched twice. I've got a fire extinguisher on me, just in case.
Oh, you can hit people with that. I feel pretty unsafe.
Oh, you could
now.
you could take my fire extinguisher if it makes you unsafe.
What's Mr. Gray Shirt's name?
Maddie. Maddie.
Sorry, what was that?
We need Mr. Grayshirt up here.
Yeah, no, I don't know where he is. If he's not here, then that's.
Maybe one of you other ones could fill in, or you guys were all there, correct?
Yeah, I was there.
But he's the one who examined me.
Yeah, no, I did not examine Mr. John Cavius, so like I don't know what his specific injuries were. I just saw him on the ground.
Does anybody know how to possibly get a hold of that young man in his brain?
Nope.
We want to call Miss Maddie for the meantime.
Yeah, we'll call Maddie for the meantime.
Miss Maddie to the stand.
Oh, what happened? My bad. I'm back. I'm sorry.
Oh, he's back.
Come to the stand, please.
Oh, I got you.
Yep, come just
Well, to the witness box.
My bad,
witness
I'm
box,
sorry,
sir.
I was dealing with
We've been
demons.
waiting, sir.
Alright, sir, if you could please raise your right hand.
Yes, sir.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir. I did.
Okay.
Miss Bean?
I just have a couple questions for you today, sir.
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
were the one who arrived on scene when John Quavius was on the ground, correct?
Yeah, all three of us was, but I'm the one that took care of this one gentleman. Yes, ma'am.
Now, what would you say condition he was
I
in?
am fine.
I can't hear. Sorry.
I would say.
You guys mind
condition
just
hit-
making sure you're on shout?
Yes, sir. Give me 1 second. Is that better or no?
Yeah, there it is. There
Okay,
it is.
is that better now?
Yep, I can hear you over here.
Yep, you're
So
good.
this young gentleman, I arrived on scene with the other ones because at that time I was still, training, and this gentleman had a pretty bad head injury, and it looks like he was beaten like several times with like a baton or something. And I had to clean it up and everything. So
So he was in such critical condition that you had to revive him, correct?
yes, ma'am.
And would you say that it looked like an awful use of force, like a successful use of force?
Successful wouldn't like I would say like it's beyond successful. I wouldn't even say successful at that point.
You say it excessive? Is that what we mean? Excessive?
Yeah,
force?
yeah,
Yeah, excessive.
yeah, excessive. I wouldn't even say it would be excessive. I think it'd be beyond that point at that point in time. Yes, ma'am.
So do you say someone who had maybe done this to him could be violent or maybe
Objection.
unsuitable?
Yes.
On what grounds, sir?
Very
Just calling my
violent.
client names violent. My client is not violent.
I believe he was,
Miss
sir.
Bean, Miss Bean, please refrain from calling him specific names.
I apologize.
Thank you, Judge.
She wasn't calling him a name. She was
John
asking if he was
Quavius.
violent.
Pipe down.
John
Oh,
Quavius, stop.
Oh,
Let me rephrase. Do you think the person who could have done this to him might have been too forceful?
Yes.
Nothing further.
All right, I'd like to cross-examine.
yes, sir.
All right. So, sir,
Mr.
you arrived after the incident was over, correct?
Yeah, all I know is we got dispatched to the car and he was.
I just need some yes or no's here. Just, you've arrived after the incident was over, correct?
Yes, I believe so.
So you didn't see the suspect swing at the officer swing at the suspect, did you?
No, sir, I did not.
So you didn't see the officer's response or the suspect's response in any of the facts?
No, sir, I did not.
Okay, so your job was to treat injuries, not investigate the cause, right?
Yes, sir. With my yes, sir.
And the injuries you observed could result from a struggle where the suspect was resisting, couldn't they? In fact, you could tell you couldn't from this injury you couldn't tell who started the altercation at all, could you?
No, sir, I could not.
Okay. So just to close up here, you didn't review any body cam footage, correct?
No, sir.
You didn't take a sworn statement at the scene.
No, sir, I did not.
So your role was medical, not law enforcement, correct?
Yes, sir, medical.
So you can't testify that the officer used unnecessary force. You simply weren't there to see it, correct?
Correct.
That's all I have.
Hey, Judge. They're handing stuff together.
Who's handing stuff to what?
Mr. Bill and Mr. Jack. Bill just handed Jack something. I'm feeling very unsafe. Can we please get them searched again?
I'm searching them right now.
All right, if that's the case, Your Honor, I'd like to have everybody in the courtroom researched.
Everybody was searched.
I would like to have everybody researched. If we're
No
requesting my
problem.
client be searched, this is harassment at this
I've
point.
already been searched once. I'm not getting searched again. I'll leave.
This is harassment at this point.
Am I good to step down, Your Honor, or?
Yes, sir.
I got up and
All right, thank you, sir.
I'll get researched again. I don't care.
Okay, Maddie.
I got grilled cheese. Do I have grilled cheese?
Chief, you want to lock that door? Hey, EMD, I'm just going to search you one more time.
Don't tempt me with a good time.
Okay. All right, you're all good.
I have one more thing I have to add, if that's all
Mr.
right.
Dems, you are being searched as per your request.
We'll do it while they're
Okay.
searching. Members of the jury.
John Quavius, you will
citizens
also
of
be
the state.
searched. Okay.
EMS is vital, but their testimony doesn't
Ms.
prove how
Bean,
this
is it okay
started.
if I search you, as unfortunately we do not have another female
They
officer
arrived
currently?
after the fight, treated everyone and left.
I'm
They
sorry?
didn't see the swing, they didn't see the danger, and they could not tell you the force of use was excessive. At best, they describe
Objection.
injuries, not guilt.
Ms. Bean, would you like to address as well?
Not only is EMS statements vital because they understand how wounded John was, but they understand what happened in that scene based off of the injuries.
As I stated, they describe injuries, not guilt. You could not tell the use of force
Guilt,
by injuries.
But the use of force is described by injuries.
This, as we stated, this young man here agreed that he could
I
not
believe
tell
we
who
have
started the
somebody
fight.
outside
He
the
couldn't
doors.
say what happened during the fight, but he could say how injured he was after.
And he said he could not tell whether it was use of excessive force or
If
whether
that's,
it was necessary force.
Waffles,
Correct?
tell him he's got to search
He was
before
beat to
be
an inch
searched
of
before he
his
comes back
life.
in.
May I speak?
But he does
John-
not know
John
whether
Quavius,
this was
not yet.
excessive or unnecessary
Quavius.
use.
Yeah. Speak through your lawyer.
The fact of the matter is there is absolutely no proof pointing that my client did anything wrongful and unjust. He was swung at by John Quavius,
Mr. Larry.
and all
Mr.
he did was
Larry,
defend
Mr.
himself in
Larry,
order to get John
Mr.
Quavius
Larry,
to stop. I am
Mr.
done.
Larry, save it for closing.
I got a big closing argument. Let's go.
Wait, what's the officer was asking us for what
Excuse me, sir. Is there any way I can step outside? Could I got
weapons, drugs. Like we knew, like,
Yes, but you told me that.
no, you know.
Your Honor, I don't remember a recess being called. I don't understand why they're gathering.
He just wanted to speak with his lawyer real quick. Miss Bean, do you have anybody else? I'm sorry?
No, I don't have any more witnesses.
Okay. Mr. Larry, would you like to call anybody? Mr. Larry Russo? Can everybody hear me?
Yeah, you're
I can
good.
hear you. What do you need
Okay.
from Russo? I'm sorry, closing argument.
No, I need to know if you need to call any witnesses.
No, I actually don't think I need any witnesses. This is pretty straightforward.
All right. Miss Bean, closing.
Your Honor, the law in the states of Florida are clear. An officer may only use force when it is necessary. My client has done nothing to receive this unnecessary force. Not only was there witnesses who saw John being beat, but the EMS arrived on scene, had to revive him, and not only was this officer asking my client for drugs, but didn't stay on scene when EMS
Objection!
arrived.
Objection! This is the first we're hearing about drugs, Your Honor.
All right. Refrain from talking about drugs if it wasn't brought up in the case.
Your
okay?
Honor, what about his body cam footage? Is he supposed to be rolling 24/7?
We can add on that if you'd like. We were having technical difficulties.
You
No, officer was on duty. We were having technical difficulties.
hold on. Miss Beam, would you like to retract your not calling another witness, or
No, I don't need another witness.
okay?
But isn't it convenient how his body cam wasn't working the minute this happened?
Objection as well. This
On
is
what grounds?
on what grounds? This is just now being brought up again. Body cam footage. This was not brought up in the whole case. The only thing that was brought up was CCTV footage.
Okay, then where's your proof that it wasn't excessive force?
We don't have any proof either way. There's no clean cut physical proof.
Multiple witnesses.
All right, I'll allow the no body cam footage to be a part of it. Oh, we got somebody knocking, Chief.
Search him
One witness
101.
would be one thing, but multiple witnesses are another. Multiple people said they saw John being beaten by a police
Oh, he's good. He
officer
was searched
that
twice.
had no reason to be beating him.
Copy.
Anything further?
Nothing further.
All right. Mr. Larry.
All right. So before my closing arguments, I want to add. So you ask why no cameras? Well, at the moment, cameras were malfunctioning, and he made an immediate report to his supervisor. With that, that's as far as we can go with that. We just have malfunctioning cameras. It's technology. It happens. It doesn't always work. We try our best to keep it working. The officer does not carry a backup body camera. We don't have space for it on their vest. So with that being said, I'm going to go along with my closing arguments here. 1 second. So ladies and gentlemen, let's cut straight through the noise. This case isn't about cameras or rumors or what someone thought they saw after the fact. It's about what actually happened in those few critical seconds. The evidence shows one simple truth. The suspect swung first. The officer was struck. My client reacted to stop further harm. That's the law. That's their duty. And that is the case.
On what grounds, Miss Bean?
He's talking about evidence when he's claiming there is no evidence. He said it himself. He has no evidence. This is just speculation. So what evidence do you have that he wasn't hitting him?
So I'll back it up. The hearsay shows one simple truth. The suspect swung first. My client reacted to stop further harm. That's the law. That's their duty. And that is all this case is. Now, what has the prosecution given you? No body cam, no dash cam, no photographs of the swing, just memories. We cross-examined their civilian witnesses, and what did we learn? No videos, no notes, no evidence beyond their words. That's not proof, that's doubt. That's what we heard from EMS, brave first responders, but they arrived after it was all over. They didn't see the swing, they didn't see the struggle, they treated injuries, and they did their job. But injuries alone don't tell you who started it or why the force was necessary.
Objection.
Grounds?
You're talking about the after part. Waffle was there during it and specifically said John did not do anything to that police officer.
I don't believe I heard him say that. Do you, Judge?
I did hear him say that, yes.
Okay, well, the fact of the matter is he smuggled the officer first. That is where we're at. So, EMS admitted under oath that they can't say the officers acted unreasonably because they weren't there. So that would take your EMS witnesses would be out of the situation. They're not, they do us no good here. The law doesn't demand perfection. It demands working camera. It doesn't demand working cameras every time. It demands reasonableness. Was it reasonable to stop a man who just swung at an officer at arm's length? Of course it was. Members of the jury, you swore to follow the law.
The citizen's testimony is the most vital thing because they're the whole part of the city. Video's one thing, yeah, that's hardcore evidence, but you're not gonna trust the people of the city who saw it.
Sir, there is absolutely no evidence. It's hearsay, sir.
I'll
Members
take
of
it
the
under
jury,
advisement.
you swore to follow the
People
law.
watched it happen. People watched John Quavius got beat for no reason.
The state has not proven its case beyond a reasonable doubt. They give you speculation and hindsight, but no evidence. My client acted with his training, within his duty, and within the law. I ask you to return the only verdict justice allows in this courtroom, not guilty. Thank you.
Okay. I will be in my chambers. There'll be a brief 2-minute recess.
It's hearsay, brother. You can't win a court case on hearsay.
Oh no. Oh no.
You wasn't here.
There's no physical evidence.
You got footage?
Hey, Larry.
Yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, so I
I
watched
do
it
have
happen.
all the things in
Hearsay.
Didn't watch shit.
Hearsay would
Exactly.
be
They're not gonna take citizen words.
if I told John Doe what happened. But I'm just saying that.
Yeah, you hear it. Yeah,
You
yeah.
asked for that from police, but that was a closing statement. That was the last we got to talk.
We'll see how she goes.
Hey, didn't hearsay if I saw something happen and I told
Someone just got
Doe
banned.
what happened?
Oh, that was
John
earlier.
Doe testified. Wouldn't that be hearsay? Okay. Yeah, I saw it happen. I didn't. Okay, but somebody didn't tell me it had to be. Just think that's the incorrect definition of hearsay. Yeah, I was there. I just think that's kind of.
What are you going, Chief?
Don't talk no more, Caldwell. Let him ramble. We got this in the bag. There's no evidence. Without any evidence, this is going down the drain.
That was your officer right there.
My officer don't do drugs. He passes a drug test once a week.
I'm gonna beat their ass.
Oh, threats. I got it. I got it on CCTV in here.
I can't believe that their lawyer doesn't know what hearsay is.
Hey, fuck off.
Just saying. I still love you.
I looked it up afterwards. Fuck you.
Hey, it's okay.
Bitch,
dude.
I'm running off.
probably-
Listen,
Hey, it's okay.
this
It's okay,
is a
man.
chat
Hey,
GPT lawyer
hey,
you're
I got
working
you.
with.
I
You
got
get
it.
what you
I
get.
I already know. You didn't even have to tell me that. I already knew that. But hey, man, that's just experience, brother, man. It's all good. It's all good.
He doesn't have a law license.
It's all good. Yeah. Yeah. Well, look, just next time. Hey, next time if you're gonna beat the shit out of somebody, please do it off of my property.
Oh, we didn't beat nobody.
Hey, okay. If next time if you're allegedly gonna beat the shit out
There
of
you go.
somebody, even though I saw it happen, Please get it off of my phone.
Waffle.
You get some cameras up in that place.
I don't have any yet, dude. I'm a fucking new business, bro. I'm working
Next
on
time
it.
you should turn on your body cam.
Alright.
John,
Alright.
over there.
Order in the cart.
I'm not mad at you guys. I love you. I mean, John's mad at you. You know, I just lost a bunch of business.
Your Honor.
Fucking fucked up, man.
Yep. Hold on one
You act
second.
like
I'm
the
just
PD ain't
typing
gonna get
out
it
what
back
I'm
in
gonna
5
say.
minutes.
Yeah, what was your name again? Sorry, I forgot it. New here.
Philip Banks.
Philip Banks, gotcha. Just knock on the door when you're ready, Your Honor.
All right, I'll peek it open.
All right.
I mean, it's nothing against him, you know. It's just fucked up, you know. And then the question of my fucking character, you know. It's just like, come on, man, that's low blow. I ain't never lied to nobody about nothing. Come on, dude.
Caldwell, quit your yapping over there.
Hey, enough! You gotta stay calm, or they'll use it against us. We're gonna use them against them, so don't worry about that.
You good, Mr. Banks?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right.
Snorting them.
All rise for the presiding Honorable Philip Banks.
Fucker looks like Blade.
Maybe seated. All right. So, in the matter before this court, testimony from multiple witnesses established that Mr. John Quavius Jackson had suffered an unlawful beating, causing significant pain and suffering. Although no physical evidence of the crime was presented, the consistent and credible witnesses and their testimony is sufficient to establish liability. Accordingly, judgment is entered in the favor of Mr. Jackson and against the officer in the amount of not $3 million, but $250,000 for pain and suffering. The court notes.
He has a gun!
This.
Oh shit!
Bro, how?
Holy fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Whoa, hey, it's all good, brother man. It's all good, brother man. Oh, shit. What? Oh, damn. Hey, man, no more locked doors. Fuck. Wonder if EMS can get in here. What are you gonna say happened, dude? This is fucking crazy. I cannot believe what's going on here. And well, I wonder why he started shooting. I wonder if it's because I said he didn't know what fucking hearsay was. Man, dude, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to set you off, bro. Just triggered you. You just killed everybody. I mean, you know, quick Google search would have learned you that hearsay, you know. Dude, I don't know how to fucking get out. Oh.
Just metagame to get out, motherfuckers.
What the fuck?
What?
Alright.
He just metagame to get out of the fucking building.
Yeah, how did he get a gun? He literally got searched.
No hard feelings, Judge. I just didn't like the outcome. But Dim's just metagame to get all of them out of here, and I'm not happy about it.
Objection.
Because everybody should have been picked up, and nobody would have remembered, and the only thing that would have been sawn was John Quavius with a gun and a bunch of dead bodies.
Yeah, but nah, I don't agree with that. I think
Fuck you,
I mean, you could have been a witness
Nah,
again.
Pussy.
No. I think Dims did
Objection.
right because everybody else was dead and we had no way of absolutely getting out of here. Even though we could
EMS
very
were alive.
easily, we could, yeah, but I called EMS. They didn't answer. I was trying, but look, him opening. When all y'all got up, I was calling EMS to get y'all all up right now. So I mean, y'all didn't even have to end the scene right then.
I know EMS has access to the doors.
Yeah,
I
I'm
didn't
just
know
saying.
that.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying.
And then I told him, I kept telling him to bring me back, but he couldn't hear me. I was dead.
Yeah,
But
no
either way,
reason.
good,
I would
good,
no,
good court case.
Not even that.
Everyone
look,
died, so no one has to pay anything.
John.